Hey, we're going to go through some recent pickups that I've got. Well, this one really isn't a pickup. This is something I went last week with the Blacksmith Guild. The project was we all made some hooks. See here, stamped it Kurt Davis, stamped it with the month and year. As you can see, we'll mount it somewhere. Another thing I got here lately is picked up this scale. See, it goes up 135 pounds. I thought maybe that weight would be too big, but I guess not. All complete. Castings look really nice. See, on this side it starts at 5 pounds there, and it goes up to 30, maybe 40 if you go all the way there. There's that. Then there's a milk hull I got. There we are. I've never seen one with a little thumb screw like that, so I was excited about that one. It looks good on the inside. The blade looks alright. So there you go. Put it up with my others that are sitting here. Maybe I should stop grabbing those spoke pointers, but I don't know. They're fun. But hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.